let's say you got a new GoPro 13 Hero or something like that, and you want to test it, but you need to fix your neighbor's lawnmower. And that's what you're looking at here. Let me turn on the light so you can see how things adjust on the camera. And another light, hold on. And you should be able to see pretty good the connections. What this is doing is the blades don't cut at a faster rate. My neighbor had to go slow. And if you look, it has two geared wheels that spin two separate blades. And if you look right here, this is the cable you need to tighten. Okay? The problem is the belts. You take a look, this is an Amazon belt, is worn. I may need to replace that with actually an OEM. I had to do that with another cable that didn't quit quite right. So I have to take a look and think about exactly what cable I got where to get it to work. Alright, the cable was down below. There's a drive cable that moves it forward and backwards, actually forward. And another belt that spins the two blades. Alright, let's see, what did I cover? Oh, yes. To take the cover off, there are 4 bolts. One here, which is sitting on the bench, and 2, 3, and 4 that have been retained. So that's what there is to it. And now I'm going to see if this video compresses right and I can download it. Again, if you're looking at the camera here, this camera that you're looking at is a new one. And I added it to the list. That's about it. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it.